How to flock a Christmas tree. Step 1. Find the perfect tree. While your sister cuts the tree, order the flocking supplies.
Oh my God! Ow!
Step 2. Prepare a space. Clean an area and place a big sheet to avoid any possible mess. Step 3. Supplies.
Here. You look awful. No! You're gonna regret it when it gets all over you.
Using a spray bottle full of water, gently wet each branch.
Oh my God, stop it!
It worked!
The tree!
Hey!
Put it on the tree.
Step 4. Get flocking. Using your colander, gently pour the flock onto the tree.
Dana!
My bad.
Step 5. Decorate. Once your flock is dry, gently decorate your tree. Step 6. Bond with family.
Oh, for me, for me, for me, This one's for you, from me.
Oh, what is it?
Something you always wanted.
Thank you. What is it?
Remember that year that I got the car that you wanted? Now you can have it.
Thanks.
Yeah. Well, in the spirit of giving, got you a gift.
No way.
Merry Christmas, sis. Really?
Yeah. Just a little something.
Was this my sweater?
Yeah, I found
I
it.
was looking all over for this.
You're
This is my
welcome.
favorite sweater. Oh my God. Where did you find it?
Oh, you know. Somewhere.
What's this? There's a coffee stain on it. I was looking all over for this. You took my sweater?
Listen, you lost it. I found it. Thank you. You're so,
This was
so
$60.
fortunate for me.
Happy holidays from sisters.